Okay, I'm gonna go over and show you how to do your quiz. I'm logged in under a student, so I'm gonna click on functions that describe a situation. Now you cannot do this from your phone app. You only can do the quiz from Safari or Chrome. You have to log in on the website, not the app. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. So let's see what happens here. I just clicked on it, CK12, do it your way, math practice, and it's loading. So it's loading the practice details. Estimated time to complete is 9 minutes. Let's see. Get 10 answers correct to complete your practice goal. So down here, if you want to read about it, there's a video to prepare you, real world. So let's look at solving real world problems and functions. I won't do that. And then this is where you can read. Okay, so let's just start practicing. You can do that on your own. Okay, and it says here, start by getting 10 right. Continue practicing as many questions as you need. So let's start practicing. So let's look here. Write a function rule for the function below. So let's see if you have an input of 2, output of 8, and 4 to 6. So what is the function rule? What do you see is going on there? So from 2 to 8 is times 4, or you add to it. So what you do if you want to get a hint, if you wasn't sure, you can click on get a hint. Remember the function is written as y equals mx plus b. Okay, so you look and you see what is going on in the problem, what is changing. So what I've determined here, let's look at C. And x is 2. So if I plug in 2, I have 10 minus 2, I get 8, right? If I plug in 4, 10 minus 4, I get 6. If I plug in 6, 10 minus 6 is 4, so that's why I'm going to choose C, and I'm correct. So I'll go to the next one. Suppose Rochelle has invested 2,500 in a jewelry making kit. She makes bracelets to sell for $12.50 each. So that $12.50 has to be the X by because that's each. So you know it's not A, you know it's not D. Okay? Write a function that shows how much money Rochelle has after selling B bracelets minus her investment in the kit. So you got the 12.50 B minus the investment B bracelet. Looks like this is it. Yes, it is. Go to the next one. So 2 out of 10. So you just keep going. Suppose Jeff charges $20 flat rate plus $27 per hour to work on cars. How many dollars does Jeff earn for 5 hours? Okay, so you would multiply the 5 times the 27 for first 10. 27 times 5, 3, 10, 11, 12, 135. Then you got to add the flat fee, and that's 155. So we can answer 155 and check it. So there you go. Next, here's another function rule. Just plug in the x to see when you will get the y. So if I put 4 in for x, that's not going to give me 14. If I put 4 in for the b, that'll give me 14. If I put 9 in for x, 10 plus 9, that's not going to give me 9, so that's not going to work. So if I put 4 in for x, that's not, what if I put 4 in the last one? 4 in for x, I got 14. If I put 9 in for x, I get 9. If I put 12 in for x, I'm going to get 6. Looks like it's D now. So you just go on. I'm not going to do all of them. So at the very end, um, let's just see. I'm just going to just start guessing. I'm going to just go next until I get up to whatever I want. And still, I just have 4 that's right. So it just tells you what you have 4 that's right. And at the top here, it gives you your progress. So you can keep practicing and practicing until you get them right. Okay. So let's see. See, I'm just clicking something here just as demonstrate so you can see how to get there. Now, at the very end of it, once you get 100, you get them right, then you hit the submit button. So you see submitting the practice. And it shows you the practice, my practice goal at 40% right now. Okay, so I only spent 4 minutes. I expect you to spend more time, and I'm able to tell you to tell what what you did, your time spent. So if I just say you can keep practicing until you get 100, so I'm just going to turn in so you'll see what this looks like. So once I turn it in, currently I have 4. You can keep practicing or turn it in. So I'll hit turn in. And so once I have turned it in, or let's pretend that was 100, my score is sent to my email or to my site. This is me, and I'll see a notification saying that I've had a submission. I'm Janice White. I'm just a mock student. So you should be able to do your quizzes now through CK12.